Hey guys. Who's here? Who's in the chat? Hello, Pedro's in chat. And today we're gonna mess with Pedro a little bit. I caught a couple of impetus for this one. I did get Twitch paid me $67. Which is I think for 4 months worth of 3 months, a quarter worth of work. Hi Lou. Hi Lulu. No, you don't get to lick the bowl. There's too many onions in it. Lulu wants my lifted. Hey Tox, how you doing? Lulu wants my leftovers. But dogs cannot eat the onions. They're bad for dogs. Makes Lulu go to the bathroom when she's not supposed to go to the bathroom. So. So I thought we might, just switch out the model on Pedro, since I'm clearly just not even doing a good job at, like, making a framework for testing. I figured we might as well just throw it in production and see what happens. And since Llama 3.1 is all the rage, I was like, well, why not do Llama 3.1? The problem is... Oh, it's provided by Bartowski. LM Studio, I think, is an alternative to Llama C++. Even though Hugging Face has instructions on it for how to run with Llama C++. I think I've used some of this guy's models before, so, Hey, baby. Lulu, what's wrong? You're gonna lay down? You're gonna go in your bed? You wanna come sit with Mama? You wanna come up? She just wants food. Does it tell you the difference between all the cues? I should read what it says. Lulu, that ear cleaner you don't like is working. I took my dogs to the vet. The vet said, oh, your dog's ears are dirty. They might have it, like, they were both had red ears, which means they could be getting ear infections. So, she gave me very strict rules about using ear cleaner, and my dogs hate ear cleaner. Oh, where'd she go? She left. She just sticks her head under the green screen so you can't even see her. Oh, she's back! Back on the other side. Lulu! Lulu, they can't see you! She says, but Mom, don't want them to see me. Don't want them to see me, Mom. Files and versions. Okay, what did we decide I wanted? I think I want the 4Q. So that'll take 12 years. So Pedro's probably going to be broken in the meantime. Good thing nobody's calling Pedro. The thing we need to check right now. Yeah, I know, Lula. I've been scratching you. Oh, I thought we merged metrics. We did. So there was a potential thought that I had in my head. I'm like, oh, let's store what model we're using. I didn't. Okay, we may need to update the schema to allow us to write the model we're using in both the in the prompt as well as the responses. Well, not so much the prompts. Well, I wanted to do this, so hi Lou. We might as well do it. What I wanted to do, so I wanted to have an ID. Sorry. An ID that related, prompts to responses, right, Lulu? She says, Mom, that's stupid. Anyway, I don't think I have that. But, that was my plan, at least. I don't know what to call it. I got asked today at work what I call the package that I store the persistence layer in. I said, usually database. Yeah, see? We don't have an ID here. And he's like, really? My last company, they used to do repository. And I was like, that's stupid. It's not a repository. Oh, why are we using arrays? Are we using that? Do you remember? I think we decided not to use that. And if that's the case, I need to drop that. Hello, Pedro. How are you? The super base gets mad at me if I So this is bot response. Twitch chat prompts? I think we have a table called Twitch chat. Right? Yeah, that's what I need. We can drop that table. Store. Well, I'm just gonna call it prompt chat relation. First thing is going to be drop table if exists, Twitch chat prompts. Because we don't need that. Second would be alter table Twitch chat. No. So we need to add column. And this needs to be the embedding column. So vector type embedding. Hi, Max. I'm bouncing my legs and my dog didn't like that. There it goes. Oh, clearly I need to do that. Settings of chat messages. Okay, and then the number. Okay, and there's how you generate it. Okay, I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. Should I just straight up do that? Why not? Oh, we'll just do that. And then we'll do alter table. And this is called bot responses. Bot response. Bot response. We don't need this to be a vector. Add column. Chat ID. And it should reference Twitch chat ID. Goes down. It should be drop table. No. Create. Well, first we need to do that. Drop the. Then the next thing would be create. I like how I don't have a drop on that. Cool. So now we added that. So in message. Oh. Which insert are we using? Insert chat history or insert message? Oh, we're using insert message. If I delete this, what happens? Okay, I don't even think it was being used. I also don't think this is being used. So, Mariah, what are you doing? Cleaning up the database package. This needs to be moved to a types directory, which I hate having types directories. I hate having type directories. Hate having type directories. Because then you spend all your time. Hi, Lou. Did you ever sit down? All your time, like, wrapping types. And I just think it's superfluous and stupid. This is kind of a fun song. Come on, Lulu, just relax. So yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just scratching my dog. That's what I'm doing. Is she just wants love and attention. I could do evening streams where all I do is talk and scratch my dogs. Because that's actually what they want. They don't want me to actually get anything done. Don't work, Mama. So I need to return here. What if we change the ID? Result. Oh my gosh. Yeah. We'll have to make sure that our database supports this. Cool. So now, in LangChain LLM, when we insert... Oh, sorry, we don't insert here. Oh, F. We insert here in handle message. Uh-oh, we're gonna have some stuff break. This isn't single message. Oh, it is single message response. Oh. What the heck am I doing that for? Why do I format that message, like, as a slice of string like that? This is... I don't like that. Oh, probably because the injection itself needs to be a slice of string? That's why. Were we doing int 64 all the way across? This is just an int. Even though the database is returning an int 64. So I don't need to cast it. My dog laid on my leg that was bouncing, and now I'm bouncing my other leg. Anxiety never dies, people. I wish that was enough. Like, I don't think that bouncing my leg adds to the calories I burn a day, though. Like, just thinking about it. No way. I wonder, if I put my watch on my leg for a day, how many calories do you think it would say I burned? It should be formatted later. There we go. I think it should be cast later. Then we need to go up here. Oh, it should default to 0. Cool. And if it defaults to 0, we know that it was called from the other one. The other thing that should... Oh, the other thing we need to add when we do our responses... is that, this should be here. passed in here. Set here. And in the main, we don't have that set up. Oh, it should be flag dot string. GPT-4 Turbo is not what it is. It is, what are we running? Mistral something something something. Mistral 7B. I'm just gonna put Mistral 7B. As the default. Was it 010? Oh, non-recommended me as a gopher? I am a gopher. I'm writing Go right now. AI in Go. How are you doing, June? This is our chatbot Pedro. I'm getting ready to switch the model. So I want to be able to differentiate between the models when I set it in there, so I'm just making some changes so that I can know what the model is. Just some basic Go stuff. I like how I called it response writer, because response writer is not the right answer. Like, it feels like response writer feels like the HTTP response writer, not a database response writer. So it's a horrible name. This would be message ID, and the other thing we want to add here is model name. Why would you use Temple for that? I've only heard people using Temple for HTMX stuff. So what is Temple? Is the Temple going to be generating other stuff for you? I'm curious. I don't know. If you're using it to generate, you can probably just pass it in the file itself, but I haven't used Temple at all. Last time I built the web scraper, I literally just did like regex scraping of the HTML code, so I guess you could use Temple to parse the HTML. Is that what you're saying you're doing? Oh, what did we call the chat ID and model name? No, I put it in. I'm gonna break all my tests. I am all over the place on this. Let's see if it builds. Yeah, that's what I thought. Multiple value result last insert ID. Yes, because that returns an error, I believe. Yeah. So I could just straight up return this. And that should suffice. So that builds now. I'll remember like 3 streams ago where I was like, I should have a dev mode where I don't need to call anything. Hi, Lulu! Look, one turn around. She says, Mom, mine's stuck. You can't see her. She's my big dog. She gets stuck under my green screen. Hi, Lulu! Let's... Temples written in JS? I thought it was written in Go. So there used to be a package called Gopher.js that would render Go into JavaScript, and then you could do the reverse and anyway. But it was abandoned when they introduced modules. Was it abandoned in 1.12? Oh, consummate! I forgot you mentioned that. I forgot about consummate. Yeah, JS is slow. Yeah, which modules were so long ago, it feels like. But most people just do static sites. No need for JavaScript in Go, right? I guess I'm calling LLM in more places than one. 28, 47, and 63. Oh, and I need... Oh, no, it's just C dot model name. Yeah. 47 and 63? Oh, yeah. Wait. Oh, okay. What do you mean 67? Oh, call LLM here. Oh, yeah. I need to delete some of these. Which ones don't exist anymore? I do go to most Gopher cons. I also hate JavaScript, so good for you. I didn't go to the first one in Chicago, but I went to the last GopherCon in Chicago. The reason being, I host my own Go conference. And that conference was GopherCon, the year they rescheduled it in 2022. 2 years ago, 2022, they rescheduled it. And it was way too close to my conference. I just couldn't do it. Sorry, I'm just gonna see which emotes are dead. And the easiest way is pasting them into chat. Soy Pete to what? Is dead. Yeah, that's kind of the point. The tickets are really cheap too. So, like, if you have to convince your employer to pay for it, they're really only paying for flight and hotel. It's only 1 day, but it is the world's best Go conference. I'm gonna change this. I'm just gonna add it. Chat has been silent for a while. Oh, I also added more emotes. Oh, I forgot we needed to debug. I added more emotes. Yeah, I don't know, Chun, if we were on break. But yeah, like I said, the tickets are only $75, and there's actually I have a discount code somewhere. I thought I added it to Nightbot. Did I not add it to Nightbot? So you can get it even cheaper. If I didn't add it to Nightbot, it should be in that Go West link itself. Like, timers. Oh, it is. It's right here. I should add that to the command too. Oh, this is also not the code we're working on today. I clearly don't do a good job of keeping it up to date. Pedro! There you are. Uh-oh, OBS released an update. Should probably update my OBS at some point. I didn't update my OBS for like 4 years. It causes problems. Okay, so we have Soy Pete 2, Broke Pedro with a capital B, Sneaky Devil, and Prof Pedro. Oh, what did we call it? Oh, Prof Pedro. Soy Pet 2. Why didn't it do Soy Pete? I don't understand. Confused Pedro. And happy Pedro. Like, there are way too many changes in this. If anybody but me worked on it, we'd have a problem. Okay, I know there aren't... Oh, one of them has too many arguments. So here we need the ID and the model name. Too many arguments on line 47? No. Oh, we don't need to give it the model name because that's in the function. Silly Mariah, tricks are for kids. Oh, that's because that should be int 64. Okay, but now it's my tests that are failing, right? Oh, no. Twitch handle message first. Then I'll fix my tests. 61 and 64. Oh, this. This is wrong. Broke the interface. Oh, what's wrong with this one? Oh, message ID doesn't exist. Which test broke? LangChain LLM test. Why did I do? Oh, yes. I have this function for cleaning the response. Yes. Yeah, I have a mock LLM. Okay, so insert response. Insert response needs a message ID, int64, and a model name. So this one's gonna be message ID will be 0. That'll be test. Too many arguments. Oh, again, we don't need to add the model name, Mariah. Don't need to do that. Oh. Hope you enjoy the tunes. I am kind of exhausted, so chat may be kind of sporadic. I've been exhausted all week. Those look the same. Did I add a space somewhere? Will I trim the space? Oh, there's a user in there? Why does it have user in there? It should trim user out too. And this is why we have tests, my friends. Oh, there was like a split we used to have in there. I mean, the easy answer would be this. Okay. Should we try to restart Pedro? Oh gosh, what would we tag this? Would we tag this? Feature? This isn't a full feature, and it's not a... Yeah. To fix, we'd say add message ID tracking to prompt responses. What the heck? Oh, there was one at the beginning of the git commit. Add message ID tracking to prompt response and misc cleanup. That's long. Okay. I was about to get really mad if we didn't have any actions running on this. Oh, we don't run tests? Okay, I'm not done. I'm pretty sure that that is the command. Or it might be this way. Yeah, that's what I wanted. And I can't believe I don't have my linter running. Do I even have a Golang CI YAML? Like... I have the YAML right there for the linter. Why don't I have it in the GitHub Actions? Mariah. It's a really simple action to add. What's up, Pedro? How you doing? I don't think I have it in this one either. I just have been really failing it. Oh, I do. Sweet. Oh, perfect. Oh, and Go 123 is out, right? I'm updating my Go. I've only installed Go like 15 ways. Okay, that's still a Go. 123, perfect. Oh, actually, let's check that YAML. See? Um... 123, perfect. Ew. Right, Pedro? How was Lulu? Okay, my goodness. This is not gonna be a long stream tonight, guys. But I am here. I didn't even announce it. I didn't do anything. Wait. Should we run these as separate jobs? Build. Wait. What happened to my linting stuff? Where'd it go? I actually do want to use Go Releaser so that I can just download the binary and not have the repo there. But I don't know if I... Oh, I need to do a push-up. Okay. Okay, now I have 3 jobs. Good. This is what I want, is 3 jobs. Oh, and then what I need to add, so if I go to Golang CI, and this is what I don't have. And I need to update my template at some point. Is if I go over here, yeah. Like, you can get that stuff by updating your YAML to have permissions, content, like, they have, like, if you add permissions, you can, like, write somewhere. And I don't remember when we added that. Anyway. All the checks passed. Okay. So I'm gonna restart Pedro. And we need to check out the branch. What did my Windows machine do? Why is it making noises at me? Okay. Check out. What was the branch? Oh, we need to do a git pull first. And then the branch name was not what we did at all. Well, I mean, it is. Oh, it's right there. Oh. I don't quite know. Oh, I have to do the actual control? It doesn't do... So, we're gonna run this. Dang it. Model name already exists. Okay. I didn't think it did. I believe there is an add column if not exists. that we can put here. I don't know why my hotkeys not letting me switch, but it's not. Also, I'm supposed to build this. Okay, migration ran. Pedro is up. Let's test our insert. We'll say, Pedro, how are you doing today? An ad is starting in 3 minutes. I apologize. I just don't mess with those because I like it when Twitch pays me $67. I know I'm not making any real money, but I am writing Go and getting compensated, albeit minimally, for my time. So what? Failed to insert message into database, failed to get LLM response? Uh-oh. That's a horrible error. Why don't we have a more detailed error? Okay, well, I'm going to restart Pedro then. And I will debug this. Actually, I probably could have just run this, because that was built for main, huh? And I could have stayed on my branch. There we go, Pedro's back. Sanity check. Slot is processing the task. Good. That's a horrible error message. That's a good job, Pedro. Oh, I'm supposed to log that one. Whose horrible error message was that, Mariah? What did it say? Failed to insert message into database. Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, Mariah. We like it when Pedro works. Failed to insert message into database. Those two, yeah. That seems about right. Oh, I don't add the error? Also, errors never start with a capital letter. I wonder where it failed because... log.errorf is undefined. I'm not using a real logger, I'm just using the log package, and if I were smart, I would. Really? You can't set a log. This is why people use custom loggers. Because then you can set a log level. Go doesn't let you do that. Because, yeah. There wasn't a printf either, so I'm just gonna print the error as it is. Did Siri just try to work on my computer? Oh, there's a printf. Okay, we'll do a printf. That didn't print, which is funny. So this must have not returned a number. Which means it's not supported by our driver. The only other option I think here, and this is why people have software return IDs for them. I do think that it is all because of this. Last insert ID didn't work. What if I did this? No, I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna get that, and then I'm going to say why was that? Why on earth did Copilot just suggest a rollback? We're not doing... There's no context here. Can you do that? Does that work? Let's try this. Also, this might actually be a problem too. Oops. Yeah, that's what I thought. Will you just let me scroll? Why won't it let me scroll? Over. Okay, I have an embedding now. That's amazing. Let's just try this. Oh. Should we respond to Pedro? Say, hey Pedro, I use Go. What'd Pedro say? Oh, that's just people messaging me. So they're supposed to be, they're messing around with vector databases at work. These guys, I don't want to talk bad about them. But I mean messing around. Like, just straight up, and it's scares me. Because they think they can provide some kind of valuable search engine. And I'm just like, no. I don't think you can. This is like the worst. And this is why we do our own IDs, people. Anyway, I don't feel comfortable saying, yeah, guys, go do vector search. It'll be a great experience. Like, backend developers should feel comfortable, theoretically, using databases. I just have met very few backend developers that are actually good at using databases. Myself included. I'm a data engineer, and I don't even think I'm good at using databases. And for sanity, actually, let's do this. And so, like, I'm really... And they're building it like it's a full-fledged project when I was literally told that it was a proof of concept. In the worst product in the world, Vertex AI. Don't use Vertex AI. It is going to eat your children and your dogs, and it's just it's the most expensive thing in the world. Oh, hey, Rug. Should we I was about to getting ready to restart Pedro. I tried to switch again. I'll give it a minute to respond to you. I am trying to make some... yeah, we should have been... No meetups this week. No meetups this week. Next week, I'll get you a meetup stream. It's not Friday. And I get these emails every Thursday that say, we're going to shut down your Supabase if you don't use it. And so I was like, well, I guess I gotta use it. And now I've made it so I have to use it before Thursday. So if you don't use it for 7 days, they shut you down. So, but I have a meetup on Wednesday next week, so we'll stream the meetup on Wednesday. I should do a better job of announcing when I'm doing meetup streams. Write a script to ping. Yeah, all it gotta do is read the database, right? What? Come on, Pedro. Quit chugging and give me a dad joke. Slot context shift, slot context shift, slot context shift. Pedro hasn't even sent a message since I last started it. I downloaded this. Let me move it. What did the beaver say to the tree? It's been nice gnawing you. Oh, that's a good one. There you are. Okay, it's easier to move over here, though. Right? And we need to put it in models. Oh, well. We need to actually make one. Mictor models. Llama. I want a llama chat, but I didn't find any. So we're gonna use this one. Oh, that's a nice beaver emote. Cool. So now we're ready to change that when Pedro gets its act together in posts. Okay, I'm just gonna restart Pedro. Oh, we've got to do a git pull. Did I push? Yeah, I did. Git checkout Mariah DB update. What? Oh, it's because I did it as one word. Check out Mariah DB update. Git pull. I thought that said Firebase instead of fast forward because I can't read. Okay, so that's the issue. I can't get last insert ID. Well, that really sucks. And this doesn't actually return anything helpful. But an error I'm not checking. So what should I do about the message ID? We're gonna use that ID. Oh, it's a string! I really don't know what I want to do about that message now. Should I just nix all... I really want to have a message ID so I can link the response to the prompt. Who's using... Somebody just bought a ticket for Go West using a discount code. How many discount codes do we have out in the world? I have a lot of discount codes out in the world, by the way. And I want people to buy tickets to my conference. No? Then why am I getting $50? That doesn't make any sense. The only thing that I should be getting $50 from is a ticket. No, I didn't actually forget where I parked my car. It's in my garage. That was the first thing that popped into my mind. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh. Oops. Pedro was not alive for a minute. Pedro was very dead. Okay. I'm gonna put it back on main. No, wait, I can just do this. I forgot. Watch. This is the main branch, and I built it as a binary because I'm smart. So I can just run the binary. Oh my goodness. That's Mariah being smart. Just, I can have the branch checked out, and I can run the go binary built on main, and I don't even have to worry about it. Okay, so yeah, here's my problem. I want to link Oh, it's 7:30. I said we were gonna be done around 8. I said to myself. I know. Uh-oh. Can you help me find the best dad joke? Okay, looks like my tomorrow's getting all flipped down, turn around. Oh, Pedro can't help you. At least Pedro's working now. What am I gonna do? What is a charber? You said, Pedro, you're an AI charber. What is that? Oh, it's a chatbot. Well, Pedro can't respond to tell you dad joke, but it can help you out with questions about software development. So I just asked Pedro a programming question because Pedro said Pedro can do that. So what should we do with these stupid IDs? Okay, so I am using dbx. So maybe I want to use, instead of using exec context, no, I don't need that. Oh, dbx doesn't, okay. No wonder. I think the problem was I shouldn't have done that. Right? Because they don't have a straight up just exec on the connection on the, oh, okay, so we're doing it on DB, right? So on DB it has must connect, it has open, it has begin X. It has prepare X. It has query and it has select context. Oh, I didn't know that they had you could provide an interface. See, Pedro doesn't know how to do a singleton either. No, Pedro's not alive. Pedro's cycling. And apparently having just using a couple of threads. Only a couple of them. So, I've never used select. I always use query X. I never use a destination interface. What is a named exec? Oh. Let's try doing that. Named exec context. So now instead of query, okay, what does, they don't have any examples of that. Do they have any on their GitHub? Okay, named exec. Okay, so in the values, I do that. Cool. Okay. So this is colon username, colon message. I like this. Colon is command, and colon created it. Oh, that's not gonna work with 0. Because 0 doesn't exist. Was that supposed to be GPT? There we go. Don't include the scarecrow joke. The fake spaghetti was an impasta. I would debug locally, but last time I did that, last time I was like, let's run this locally, I killed my stream. So I'm really scared to kill my stream again. It has emotes, that's nice. Pedro's still chugging. I don't want to shut it down because I want Pedro to finish. Oh. I'm trying to let Pedro think. That's why I didn't do anything. Vim could not determine package name. Oh, Pierre! What's Pedro's purpose? Oh, I wish Pedro probably doesn't know that. Pedro's also, like, super maxed on memory right now. So, we'll see if Pedro, sometimes when Pedro gets in this state, where it just, see that? Sometimes it sits at 300, 400% CPU and it's like, I'm doing work, and it spins, it like produces something. And sometimes it sits at 400% CPU. It just kills. But it's not using that much memory. That makes me think, if it's not using that much memory, I should be totally okay to use a bigger model, right? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Pedro's sharing some of the CPU. It's sharing some of the cycles. With itself. All of the servers are the LLM, by the way. The Go app isn't even a blip. The Go app isn't even a blip on this radar because it's not gonna take up any memory. Oh, normally Pedro doesn't take up 400% CPU. Normally, Pedro sits there, it will go up to like 40 and then respond. That's usually where Pierre ends up. Not Pierre. You're Pierre. Isn't Pierre Peter in French? Or Pedro in French? So yeah, we're just... Like, I guess my point is sometimes Pedro recovers. And at what point... At what point should I care? At what point should I help Pedro recover or not? You see that Python thing that comes up? That Python 3 Snap Ubuntu? Is that something I'm running? Does Ubuntu invoke? Oh. Come on, Pedro. We want to know what your purpose in life is. Oh, look! Look at all that CPU we're using. 400 plus 90... That's like 700% CPU. And altogether, it's over 100% memory. Right? Oh, Pedro responded! I think we only got one, Pedro. I think we got a couple of cycles. Oh, we got one cycle and one Pedro. But Pedro recovered! Pedro recovered. We're back! Good job, Pedro. Thanks for coming back to the real world. I'm so proud of you, Pedro. Okay, I don't want to close that yet, because what if I need that? Yeah, of course Pedro replies with its own front. Well, let's see if Pedro responds to you, Pierre. Pedro should. Pedro should respond to YouTube chat. Okay, Pedro's thinking. Oh. Oh, look! Pedro responded! Oh, good job, Pedro. Good job, Pedro! Okay. I'm gonna restart Pedro. Oh, wait, Matt. I'll wait for Pedro to respond to you. Then I'll restart Pedro. Even though Pedro doesn't like to respond to you, Pedro likes to ignore you and cycle. Ha! Pedro the chatbot! Okay. We're running our branch again. Oh. I should have run that. Dang it. No, that's not what I wanted. I want to do Twit. Okay, Pedro's running on master again, not on main. Sorry about that. No, I thought it said it wanted a slice of any, not an interface. I clearly didn't understand that right. Countries that start with O. Oh. I see the problem. It's using person, which is first name, last name, email. Oman, Ontario, Oregon, Osaka, and Ostrava. So we got some cities, a state, and a city/province. One of them, Oman's a country though, right? Okay, so I did that wrong. I thought I could get away with this. Oh, but I can do this. I can just provide a database, Twitch message, right? And it just has to be the same. Well, it did trip Pedro up because Pedro listed a whole bunch of things that weren't countries, right? Okay, let me look at that doc again. How do we go over? How do I scroll the other way? So it has last name, first name, and email. Email's lowercase, and then last name and first name are annotated. Oh, it's not an O in other languages? Oh, that's really funny. Pedro's not gonna know that. Yeah. Now it should match. Oman is a country, Ontario is a Canadian province, Oregon is a US state, Osaka is a city in Japan, and Ostrava is a city in the Czech Republic. My goodness, Pedro! You're really good at predicting words when we, give them to you. Oh, no, this should be created at. You can return things with an insert? Oh, and it just repeats itself. That idiot Pedro. Right? Did I train Pedro in other languages? No, I didn't train Pedro at all. Pedro is the Mistral 7B model running on llama C++. So Pedro is fluent in several languages. Pedro should speak French. Somebody asked Pedro the other day, Pedro, what languages do you speak? So. Well, yeah, just throw some Korean at us. We've got Pedro speaking Spanish before. Oh, that's just hello? Sweet. Hey, at least I knew it was Korean. Oh, look, Pedro responds in Korean. Okay, so I was thinking, somebody suggested last week, what if we had Pedro, what if we did TTS with Pedro? And the idea's rubbing on me. We could have a lot of fun with Pedro and TTS. And then we should have a hackathon and see if we can hack Pedro. How come Pedro didn't talk about being trained, but it responded in Korean? Did Pedro cycle? Oh yeah, Pedro's cycling. Hello, have a nice day. Oh, thanks, Pedro. So, Pedro says Pedro has reconnected on its own 5 times. So that's probably 4, well, that's at least 4 messages that Pedro's just eaten. For no reason. Did you know that if I watch myself, like straight up watch myself, it kills? How do you turn on closed caption? Add to channel. No, I don't want to add to channel. I want to turn it on. Oh, so can I do this? Sweet! Now I have closed captions. That's so cool. We could have a lot of fun with Pedro if we, once we get captioning connected too. I bet it is 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Ooh. 18? 22! 22 degrees Celsius. I lowballed it. I lowballed it. Hola! Pedro responds to French with straight up hola. Good job, Pedro. But you did Korean just fine. No, I don't want iTerm. I want my terminal. And let's go over here so we don't. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. Oh, that wasn't Pedro that did that. That was Matt's bot. Okay. That's because this needs to be capital C. Okay, hot fix coming in. Column model name is specified more than once. I broke that too. Oh, we're not gonna get any responses from Pedro for a minute. I got one more hotfix. Bear with me. We're just... There we go, there we go. Oh, we already have model name? Oh, nice. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. Well, let's just do this. What am I working on? I'm trying to... I want Pedro... I want to put a different model in Pedro, and I just want to... make... so I want to... put a different model in Pedro, but I want to be able to compare... I want to just essentially be able to look up what Pedro does with the different models, and then the other thing I wanted to do is I want to be able to reference prompts to the Twitch messages. I want to reference prompts to responses. So, I just, like, made 15,000 changes to the database. You know? De yerba mate? Probably Brazil. Okay, Pedro should be up. Well, I don't know what I just spewed, but my goodness, that was a lot. Oh, you just have to tell Pedro. If you want Pedro to say it, you need to use the keyword Pedro. Pedro cues off of that. So we can't use last insert ID, but we can use rows affected. Okay, I will The easiest way for me to think about solving this I know all the data. Did we get another error though? No, which means Pedro is chugging. Okay. Oh no. Pedro just said it had a 200, didn't it? A post? And we broke again. At least Pedro's working. At least Pedro's working. Okay, so we are using the correct model name. The whole time. That makes me feel good. Where are we setting that though? That was a -P. I'm gonna kill this. Oh, I'm setting it in the Postgres? Oh, I would rather pass it in than set it in Postgres. Now. Okay. I can just do that. And it needs to be the same name for all intents and purposes. Pedro! Did you know... Not Pedro, Pierre! Did you know that you're a Canadian content creator, vlogger, and YouTuber? And you've been making YouTube videos since 2017? I bet you didn't know that. I just don't know if I want to commit to redoing IDs today. What, in college? I made vlogs in college. They were really bad. Live streaming is so much easier. Because we can actually get stuff done. Okay, should we, Actually, let's just make sure I don't have any spews in here. Okay. I already pushed, huh? Should we try switching Pedro over to the other to llama? It wouldn't be that hard. That's the wrong one. Oh, I restarted Pedro. Okay. I'm gonna do it. So, models would be llama. Okay, we're running. Oh. Did it not like it? Why didn't... What did I do? Okay. Well, I copied the one I downloaded, so I can do this. Let's try this. Oh, did I move it? Dang it. Okay. Okay, let's try and download llama again. Okay, where was my hugging face? So this was the one I downloaded. It's just a Giga file. From Bartowski. So, I'm gonna try and download it again. What does copy download link do? Like, does that mean I could curl that and it would magically download? Is that how that works? I don't think that's how that works. Oh my gosh. That didn't work. Boo. Okay. So this is what I did last time. I just downloaded it. And then it just worked. Right? It's just supposed to work. Unless you could, this doesn't do like git clone, does it? Notice how it says you can run it with llama C++. But it doesn't tell you how to download the model. Why do I have to have git LSF installed? Last time I didn't have to have git LSF installed. Isn't that what they said to do? Oh, it's LFS, Mariah. Silly Pete. Oh, it doesn't know what that is. Oh. Okay, don't worry about that. We can... Okay, I'm gonna try running it from the downloads, though. Okay. So we go here. What? I can do that? Okay, sorry. Sorry, now I'm stuck experimenting. Oh, guys. I need to do this. I haven't updated it. I would need more numbers and letters, but so far it's not, so maybe the author forgot to upload it. Upload what? More numbers and letters? So... I just picked one of the models, like... I picked one of, like, there's all of this stuff. And I just picked one of the files. Because I thought the 4Q would be fine. And then I was like, download it! Sorry, I wasn't reading. I told you, I'm just tired. I'm a little bit out of it. I'm way more into it on Fridays. Okay, now we're fast forwarding. This is how you run it now. I can't just do server anymore. See? That's what it told me last time. Oh, I need to make again. Yeah, it is. I don't have make installed? How was I even running this? What's my password? See, it says now you have to do llama CLI or llama server. So this thing that I just ran, this doesn't work anymore. Why does that work? Don't tell me I forgot how to use llama C++. I thought you just have to do the make, right? And make is what builds the CLI. Like, it didn't exist until just a second ago. See, it builds the llama CLI. So why didn't it work? Oh, because C++ is not installed? Oh gosh. Is it update? GCC should install C++, right? Oh, I'm past my time. I want to get this running though. Apt-get install GCC. Okay. I'm gonna run this though. Oh no, not that one. The Build Essentials? Was that what it was called? Apt-get install Build Essentials. There we go. That has GCC in it. There we go. Am I right? Am I right? Oh, why can I hear myself? Oh, because I'm watching myself. Am I right? I didn't want to be watching myself. Why can I hear myself? Oh, because I'm watching myself. Am I right? I didn't want to be watching I hear myself the whole time. Oh, because I'm watching myself. Yeah. I am now the second viewer of my own stream. Still building. Hugging Face parameters are also available for the server, I believe. So once this works, I think I can do the other thing. Because you know... What is a chief advocacy officer? Company I used to work at has a chief advocacy officer. I'm trying to figure out what the heck it is because it's not... It's not an HR role. So what is it? What are you advocating for? Look at all those lines. Can you believe that somebody is maintaining llama C++? Can you believe this? Python is not the language of data. C++ is. Look at this. Twitch ad break incoming. I don't think I have ads on YouTube enabled, so you get all of me. Oh look, it finally built the CLI! I don't know, I just am like staring at this wall of text, trying not to fall asleep. Aren't streamers supposed to be, like, didn't they make caffeine for this? I've already had so much caffeine today, guys. If I had any more caffeine, I would be over the daily recommended limit for caffeine. But I really want this to work. I really want... I really want to start doing Pedro with llama, right? I think doing Pedro with llama would be super worth it. Even though I have to wait for this to build. Example of the lava CLI. Can you believe that they built a CLI in C++, not even Python? Google's CLI is written in Python. I write CLIs in Go. What are all these things that are .o? L use openmp-ggml llama file. DGGML use llama file. Oh, ad started. There you go. Now you can't see the screen that's watching me. It's just watching me. Why is it taking so long to build? Right? Just taking forever. Okay, you almost done, Llama C++, please? Almost done? How did I get it? They must have had the server binaries. No, I've run make before. Why did it? I don't know why it said. Oh, maybe it was before I had to reinstall Ubuntu. Cause like, I had to like the file directories don't change, but Ubuntu package, and so the package manager died. So maybe I built it when I was still on the first version when I yes. You almost know what I'm trying to say. Almost know what I'm trying to say. Oh, I hope it's good product. I need to deliver something. My goodness, I haven't shipped anything at work for a minute. They made me a tech lead, and so now I like don't code anymore, and it's so sad. There it goes! This one. No, I want the llama CLI that was from Hugging Face. So go to Hugging Face. Use this model, llama. Copy. Okay, so I can't download from Hugging Face. Sad. So this is... This should run though. Okay, that runs. This is where it fails every time. Yeah, maybe it would just need the newer version of GGuff or whatever we did. Yeah. It's supposed to be... So it's supposed to be like, oh, you're helping the team one-up their skills and you do architectural decisions. But it turned into Scrum Master. And then, so all I do is attend meetings. Like, if you want to know what's getting in the way of me getting anything done, it's my Monday and Tuesday every week is almost exclusively dedicated to meetings. And then this week for sure it was. And so like yesterday was the first day I actually got to sit down and like write code myself. I've been pairing with some people on the team, so like I am contributing indirectly. But I would like also to contribute directly. You know? Okay, so something's happening. Right? We always got stuck on this point last time. Wait. I thought I ran CLI, not server. Yes, not enough code. Oh, Pedro's alive. I did run it with server, with the llama one. What's going on? Okay, it's still loading llama. Oh, what was... I think I called it model name. Sorry. Just model, okay. So it's go run main.go dash dash model, and that needs to be the fully qualified name, meta llama 3.18b, instruct. Llama 3.18b instruct. Why was that so hard? Oh, it just doesn't have a lot of CPU because of the other stuff. Gotcha. Pedro's alive! And our server is almost alive? I don't think this server's processing anything, but it's running? Okay, I don't know why this is... Okay. Now the HTTP server is listening and all slots are idle. This didn't say it couldn't call it, though. Right? That's really weird. How long it took to start up. Oh, well, these logs are way different. So we can go over here. Sorry. And mess with our stuff. So this is llama. Okay. So if we go over here, it received a couple of gets. What did the moderator hit? Who got auto-modded? We've had one message received. None sent. Good. Let's go check our database. Oh, these are responses. There's a couple empty responses. Okay, I wanted to see the last responses. Oh, the last thing Pedro said was that. Interesting. But what was the last chat message? Pedro, are you running llama? Right, that should have been the last one. Okay, Pedro, are you running llama? Sweet. What is going on? I don't think... Why is this running so slow? Because it shouldn't be running so slow. Is it because I have... Sometimes this happens when I have the Chrome browser open. I don't know. Does it tell me how many Go routines I have running? It should. These are the Prometheus metrics. 15 Go routines running. Did I turn pprof on? I didn't turn pprof on. I thought I turned pprof. No, I did. It's debug-pprof, Mariah. Okay. So, one Go routine running pprof. One managing the listener. Oh, this one's also doing that. Yeah, this is the sleep loop that's supposed to run every 15 minutes. That's good. So this is our main. So all of these are all of these servers must be part of this. Oh, yep. All of these servers, 1, 2, 3, I promise you, are talking to llama C++ right now. And then this one, the buffered reader, I promise you, is this one. Oh, that's 4. We have... Oh, that's the pprof memory server. Okay. OpenAI. Well, that's only one Go routine running that. Metric server, Twitch. Oh, the one that runs. Okay. Twitch. Well, I mean, they're all. I'm using Twitch. Oh, it could. I bet the messages are just being blocked by this. But we're. Yep, that matches. I don't know. I don't know what's up with our server. It's just like really slow. Oh, yeah, now it gets stuck. And this said it didn't get the post to chat completions. And this is just slow. I don't know what to do with it. We'll have to deal with it tomorrow, I guess. Is it this slow when I run the Mistral model? Let's try that. Let's just for sanity check. Because if that's the case, then I just need to download a smaller one. For servers? I don't use any company for servers. This is a refurbished Windows machine I have in my office. I'm using Supabase for a database just because I don't want to figure out how to host a Postgres. Yeah, that way I can, all the cost was up front. I don't pay for anything continuously, which is really nice. I don't have to stress about, viewership or anything on Twitch. Okay, so it is the server, it is the new binary that is so slow. The new build is way slower than the old server build. That really stinks. That means that we broke Pedro, guys. Well, on that note, who should we raid? One of these people is me. So I kind of want to raid Nikwan Data Site just because we've been doing modeling stuff. Sorry, YouTube, you don't get to participate in the raid. I'll be back tomorrow. And we will get Pedro running. I'm sure I just needed something else when I built that. I can't think of anything else. It just needs to have another thing to build, but I'll see you next time we're live.